Hey everyone, let's talk about cryptocurrency. I know, your brain just switched to airplane mode. It sounds complicated, right? Like something only tech geniuses in hoodies understand. But trust me, it's not as scary as it seems. Think of this as your crash course, your Crypto 101. We're going to break it down in simple terms. No jargon, no headache guaranteed. By the end of this, you'll be able to dazzle your friends with your newfound crypto knowledge. Maybe even impress that barista with the cool tattoos. Ready? Let's dive in. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. At first it seems impossible, but with a little practice it's easy. Okay, let's start with the basics. What cryptocurrency anyway? In the simplest terms, it's digital money. Think of it like the cash in your pocket, but instead of paper bills, it exists only online. There are tons of different cryptocurrencies out there. It's like the world's weirdest vending machine. You've got your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Dogecoin, yes, the one with the Shiba Inu dog. They all work a bit differently, but the main idea is the same: digital money, free from the control of governments and banks. Pretty cool, right? But how does it actually work? Let's keep going. Now, here's where things get a little bit more technical, but stay with me. Cryptocurrencies run on something called blockchain. Think of it like a giant digital ledger or record book that's shared by everyone on the network. Every single transaction, every time someone sends or receives crypto, it gets recorded on this ledger. No one can go back and change the records. It's all transparent and tamper-proof. However, people can see what was transferred. This shared ledger system is what makes cryptocurrency decentralized. No single person or institution controls it, which is a pretty big deal. Section 4, how does this digital money thing even work? All right, so we've got digital money and a giant digital ledger, but what does that really mean? Let's break it down. Digital money, or cryptocurrency, is a form of currency that exists only in digital form. Unlike traditional money, which is printed or minted, digital money is created, stored, and transacted electronically. The giant digital ledger we're talking about is known as the blockchain. It's a decentralized and distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This ensures transparency and security, as every transaction is verified and cannot be altered once it's recorded. But how do you actually use cryptocurrency? Well, it's quite similar to how you use your online banking app or digital payment services like PayPal or Venmo. You need a few things to get started. First, you need a digital wallet. This is where you'll store your cryptocurrency. Think of it as your personal bank account for digital money, but don't worry, this isn't something you stuff in your back pocket. A digital wallet is more like a digital address where you store your crypto. It's a software application that allows you to store, send, and receive digital currencies. There are different types of digital wallets, including online wallets, mobile wallets, desktop wallets, and hardware wallets. Each type has its own advantages and security features. Don't worry, this isn't something you stuff in your back pocket. It's a secure digital address that you can access from your smartphone, computer, or even a specialized hardware device. It's more like a digital address where you store your crypto. This address is a long string of alphanumeric characters that is unique to your wallet. When you want to receive cryptocurrency, you share this address with the sender. Think of it like your online bank account, but cooler. With a digital wallet, you have full control over your funds and you can access them anytime, anywhere. Plus, you don't have to rely on a bank or any other financial institution to manage your money. Then you can send and receive cryptocurrency just like you would with PayPal or Venmo. The process is simple and straightforward. You enter the recipient's wallet address, choose the amount you want to send, and confirm the transaction. You enter the recipient's wallet address, choose the amount, and boom, transaction complete. The transaction is then verified by the network and recorded on the blockchain. This ensures that the transaction is secure and cannot be tampered with. Now, where do these digital coins come from? Some are created through a process called mining. Mining is the process of using computer power to solve complex mathematical problems that verify transactions on the blockchain, and in return they are rewarded with new cryptocurrency coins, which involves solving complex mathematical problems to verify transactions on the blockchain. This process is essential for maintaining the security and integrity of the blockchain network. It's a bit like a giant decentralized Sudoku game. Miners compete to solve these puzzles, and the first one to solve it gets to add a new block to the blockchain. and is rewarded with cryptocurrency. But for the average user, you don't need to worry about mining. Mining requires specialized equipment and a lot of electricity, which can be expensive and complicated. You can simply buy cryptocurrency through exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. These platforms allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies easily. You can link your bank account or credit card to the exchange, deposit funds, and start buying cryptocurrency in just a few clicks. Once you have your cryptocurrency, you can use it for various purposes. You can hold on to it as an investment, hoping that its value will increase over time. You can also use it to make purchases from merchants that accept cryptocurrency. Some people even use it to transfer money internationally, as it can be faster and cheaper than traditional methods. The possibilities are endless, and the world of digital money is constantly evolving. As more people and businesses adopt cryptocurrency, its use cases and applications will continue to grow. So, whether you're looking to invest, make purchases, or simply learn more about this exciting technology, there's never been a better time to get involved in the world of digital money. Section 5, the good stuff, why everyone's talking about crypto. Okay, so we've covered the basics, but why should you even about cryptocurrency? Well, it has the potential to change the way we think about money. For starters, transactions are lightning fast and often have much lower fees than traditional banking. Plus, it offers greater privacy. You don't have to hand over your personal information every time you make a purchase. And because it's decentralized, it gives everyone access to financial systems, even people without bank accounts. That's a pretty big deal for folks in developing countries. Cryptocurrency is like the Wild West of finance. Risky, unpredictable, but with the potential for huge rewards. Section 6. Hold your horses, crypto's got a dark side too. But before you go betting your life savings on Bitcoin, let's talk about the risks. Cryptocurrencies have taken the world by storm, promising high returns and a decentralized financial future. However, it's crucial to understand that this digital gold rush comes with its own set of pitfalls. Because, like that friend who always forgets their wallet, cryptocurrency has its downsides too. First off, it's volatile, like seriously volatile. Imagine investing your hard-earned money and watching its value swing wildly within hours. It's not for the faint-hearted. The value of cryptocurrencies can go up and down like a roller coaster on a caffeine bender. One moment you're on top of the world, and the next you're plummeting into the depths of financial despair. This extreme volatility can be thrilling, but also nerve-wracking. One day you're sitting on a gold mine, the next you're wondering if you can afford ramen noodles for dinner. This unpredictability makes it challenging to plan for the future, especially if you're relying on your crypto investments for financial stability. Then there's the risk of scams. The anonymity and lack of regulation in the crypto world make it a breeding ground for fraudsters. From phishing emails to fake investment schemes, the threats are numerous and ever-evolving. Because it's still a relatively new technology, there are a lot of shady characters out there looking to take advantage of unsuspecting investors. These scammers are becoming increasingly sophisticated, making it harder to distinguish between legitimate opportunities and fraudulent schemes. And finally, there are regulatory challenges. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how to regulate cryptocurrency, which creates uncertainty for investors and businesses. The lack of clear guidelines can lead to legal complications and hinder the growth of the crypto market. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how to regulate cryptocurrency, which creates uncertainty for investors and businesses. The lack of clear guidelines can lead to legal complications and hinder the growth of the crypto market. As regulations evolve, staying informed and compliant becomes a constant challenge for anyone involved in the crypto space. So while the allure of cryptocurrency is undeniable, it's essential to approach it with caution. Do your research, stay informed, and be prepared for the ups and downs. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is your best defense against the dark side. Section 7, the future of money, maybe. But tread carefully. As we stand on the brink of a financial revolution, the question on everyone's mind is, what role will cryptocurrency play in our future? So, is cryptocurrency the future of money? It's a question that has sparked countless debates among economists, technologists, and everyday people alike. It's hard to say for sure. While some believe it will completely replace traditional currencies, Others think it will merely complement them. It has the potential to revolutionize the financial system, offering faster, more secure transactions and reducing the need for intermediaries like banks. Imagine a world where you can transfer money across the globe in seconds without hefty fees. But it also comes with its fair share of risks. The anonymity of cryptocurrency transactions can attract illicit activities, and the lack of regulation can lead to significant financial losses. The most important thing is to educate yourself. Learn the basics, understand the risks, and stay informed about the latest developments. There are numerous resources available, from online courses to community workshops, that can help you navigate this complex landscape, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. The volatile nature of cryptocurrency markets means that prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. It's crucial to approach it with a level-headed mindset. Cryptocurrency is a bit like a roller coaster, exhilarating and potentially profitable, but also unpredictable and sometimes nerve-wracking. The highs can be incredibly rewarding, but the lows can be equally devastating. You better hold on tight and be prepared for a bumpy ride. The market's sharp fluctuations can test even the most seasoned investors. It's a space where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. The future of money is being written right now, and we are all part of this unfolding story. The decisions we make today will shape the financial landscape of tomorrow. Cryptocurrency is definitely a part of that story. Whether it becomes the dominant form of money or remains a niche asset, its impact on the financial world is undeniable. Just remember to approach it with a healthy dose of caution and a whole lot of curiosity. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe as you explore the future of money.